KB Printing and Designing, along with High Rollers Booking Agency and Starline Promotion, presents the first annual Eyewear Affair. That's right, people. It's all about August 27th, August 27th, inside Innocent Atrium, 5070 Wabash Avenue. Mob to the thing. First Eyewear Affair, first time ever happening inside the DMV. Music for that night. High Rollers will be inside the building. Half Crazy doing the craziness. Starline #1, early one by the C4 Sound. That's Friday, August 27th. That's right, Friday, August 27th, Innocent Atrium, 5070 Wabash Avenue, 21215. Ladies, come out in your best Eyewear Affair. Tight pants, best shirt. Make sure your swagger's on 100 million, cause the first ever Eyewear Affair is where you wanna be at. Music by Baltimore's #1 High Rollers, alongside Half Crazy, Starline, and C4. That's Friday, August 27th, Innocent Atrium, Eyewear Affair. Ladies, don't forget to come out in your best eyewear. Doesn't matter what you have, whether it fake or it real, see you there. Eyewear Affair, Mark to the thing, August 27th.
And Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful like them.